नमस्कार. जय श्रीकृष्ण. श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौरभक्त वृंदा. Enunciating text 29, text 30 and text 31 of chapter 7. Further inquiries by Vidur of 3rd canto of status quo Srimad Bhagavatam. Text 29. वर्णाश्रम विभागां शच रूपशील स्वभावतः ऋषीणां जन्म कर्माणि वेदस्य च विकर्षणम्. O great sage, kindly describe the divisions and orders of human society in terms of symptoms, behavior, and the characteristics of mental equilibrium and sense control. Also, please describe the words of the great sages and the categorical divisions of the Vedas. The four statuses and orders of human society, Brahmanas, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, and Shudras, as well as Brahmacharis, Gruhasthas, Vanaprasthas, and Sannyasis, are all divisions of quality education, culture, and spiritual advancement attained by practicing control of the mind and the senses. All these divisions are based on the particular nature of each individual person, not on the principle of birth. Birth is not mentioned in this verse because birth is immaterial. Vidur is famous in history as born of a Shudra mother, yet he is more than a Brahman by qualification because he is seen here to be the disciple of a great sage Maitreya Muni. Unless one achieves at least the Brahminical qualifications, one cannot understand the Vedic hymns. Mahabharata is also a division of the Vedas, but it is meant for women, Shudras and Vijabandhus, the worthless children of the higher section. The less intelligent section of society can avail themselves of the Vedic instructions simply by studying the Mahabharata. Text 30. Yajnasya cha vitanani yogasya cha pathah prabho naishkarmyasya cha sankhyasya tantram va bhagavad smritam. Please also describe the expansions of different sacrifices and the path of mystic powers, analytical study of knowledge and devotional service, all with their respective regulations. The word tantram is significant herein. Sometimes tantram is misunderstood to be the black spiritual science of materialistic persons engaged in sense gratification, but here tantram means the science of devotional service compiled by Srila Narad Muni. One can take advantage of such regulated explanations on the path of devotional service and make progressive advancement in the devotional service to the Lord. Sankhya philosophy is the basic principle of acquiring knowledge, as will be explained by the sage Maitreya. The Sankhya philosophy enunciated by Kapil Dev, the son of Devhuti, is the real source of knowledge about the supreme truth. Knowledge not acquired by Sankhya philosophy is mental speculation and can yield no tangible profit. Text 31. Pashanda patha vaishamyam pratiloma niveshanam jivasya gatayo yashacha yavatira gudakarma jaha. Please also describe the imperfections and contradictions of the faithless atheists, the situation of crossbreeding and the movements of the living entities in various species of life according to their particular modes of nature and work. The combination of living entities in different modes of material nature is called crossbreeding. The faithless atheists do not believe in the existence of God, and thus their path of philosophies are contradictory. Atheistic philosophies never agree with one another. Different species of life are evidence of varieties of mixtures of the modes of material nature. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.